Alright, who's back in with another update? Right now I'm gonna be doing this power steering pump pulley. Now, this isn't the one that came off of the 5.3. This is actually the one that came off my 350. But once I lined this one up and the 5.3 one up, they were actually the same size all the way around. I tried to find the 5.3 pulley just so I could show you guys for this video, but I couldn't find it anywhere. But I did end up finding this 350 pulley. This pulley right here, the 3-hole pulley, comes off of, I took this off of like a 2002 Impala. Them long skinny ones, not the bubble ones that came out with like the LS3s in them and stuff like that, not those ones. This one came off a 3400 V6. As you can see, once I line these up, there's a huge difference in these pulleys, but so much more. I can literally just set this pulley inside this 350 pulley. Like I said, this isn't the same one that came off of the 5.3, but once I lined these up next to each other, they were the exact same size around. So right now I'm just gonna swap out these pulleys. If you need this part number, it goes right there, 101 66 335. Yeah, that way you can go ahead and order it off the internet if you need to, or go to the parts store and get it. I went ahead and picked up one of these power steering pulleys because, I mean, if anything, I do have a 5.3 now that I have to pull the power steering pulley off of to change the power steering pump. It was only 20 bucks, so I went ahead and got it. They do have another one at Harbor Freight that is 40 bucks, and it's like with the top of the line brand stuff, but this one was only 20 bucks, so I went ahead and got it. It's $35 at the parts store to rent it every time. So I didn't feel like going back and just keep renting it and taking it back, stuff like that. But if you need this part number too, it's 63068. You can go ahead and pick you up one of these. It's only 20 bucks. So, I mean, for 20 bucks, I can't beat it. Hell, about 4 times of going back to the parts store to have to do this all over again. That would have been my 20 bucks in gas right there, and at least damn sure my 20 bucks in time. So, what I got going on is, get this hose out of the way. I should have took it out, but I didn't. There's a little thing that screws in like that. It screws into there. You line your pulley back up with the lip towards the front, the dip towards the back, and just slide it right over that. And you get your pulley kit. You want to grab this like this bearing looking thing. I don't know, that's what I grabbed in this washer. And these 2 pieces in my hand, these are 2 separate pieces. There's this top piece and then this piece. I grabbed all these, and I'm just gonna slide all this stuff back. Washer, little bearing thing with the bearing part facing towards the thing, and then this is threaded. Focus, no focus. This thing is threaded on the inside, so then it just screws over. It just screws over this thing like that. I'm trying to look through the phone instead of trying to watch what I'm doing with my hands. Alright, well, looks like my fan's gonna give me an issue now. I just had this thing on here without an issue, but yeah, this thing goes on like that. As you can see, I'm not hitting nothing. Give me the clearance I need, so yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and finish putting this thing on. Like I said, if you guys need the part number, it's right here. 101 66335. I ended up actually getting this thing for free from the junkyard. I ended up buying another fuel rail, and a buddy of mine works there, so he just let me go ahead and slide with it. But I wouldn't think these things would cost you more than, I don't know, $10 at the junkyard, $5 at the junkyard. But yeah, definitely pick you up one of these if you have a steering, power steering clearance with your box. I know this video is kind of long now, but so I'm gonna go ahead and finish it. So, alright y'all, hose out. Update's over with. Alright y'all, hose checking back in. Coming back to show you guys. My bad. I'm still coming back to show you guys what happened to this plastic pulley or whatever. I ended up snapping this shit. And what happened was it was spinning on me, so I stuck an extension through a hole like that to keep it from spinning, and the motherfucker ended up snapping on me. But I got another video of these metal ones coming up. This one I messed up. You can see that line right there. So this pulley's no good now. But yeah, I'm throwing this in. So, update on this pulley, and I got a good update coming on this one. Ignore my work belts and my tool bags and my electrician's belt. I'm at my night job right now in the parking lot. And I want to throw this out there. This is new clip on my new phone. This is my old phone right here. And this is why my quality was coming out all fucked up. Other than the fact it's a cheap ass phone, but you can see I cracked the screen right there, and then some of that's weld splatter. That little spot right there and a little spot like right up top, that's weld splatter. But yeah, I got a new phone, so alright y'all, just throwing that in there. Who's checking out?